Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about what's a cube. So, what is a cube? A cube, okay? I think I've mentioned this before. Okay, what's a cube? It's like a stack. But since a stack only has a entry point, a cube has an entry and an exit point. Both. That's the thing. So today we're going to learn how to do the coding for it. First of all, a select stack. Okay? Q, Q, Q equals square empty, right? Empty list. After that, just make a limit equals 5. What am I even writing? Define Q. I don't know why is it not even Q. Define push. I don't know what am I doing. It has to be A because we did this many times for the ones that watched my video. Push if length of Q is greater than outside is greater than equal to limit print overflow. Else Q dot append A. Now for pop, define pop. I mean pull this time because that's what we usually do. Define pull if line of Q doesn't now here. We have to do little changes. Greater equal to 0. What we have to do is Q, okay, Q dot append. I mean, not append, what am I doing? Pop 0. Because Q uses, right here. Because Q uses a principle called FIFO. FIFO, FIFO. What does FIFO mean? First in, first out. This is what FIFO means. Okay? So if we do Q dot pop 0, which is a first value, it's gonna delete the first value. Else print underflow, then add the numbers, right? So push 100. Push 200. Pull. Push 300. 400. Pull. Pull. Then push 500. Then push 600. Then pull. That's it. There's this code. Well, we forgot to add one more thing. Print Q. Print. Over the same one over here. Print Q. It should be all fine now. Yeah, see? This is what the Q looks like. First is adding 100, then 200, then deleting 100 because of FIFO. Then adding 300, then 400, deleting 200, then deleting 300, adding 500, 600, then deleting 400. And this is what we get, 500, 600. Okay? So this is how the code works. We can do it again, so this is how the code basically works. Okay? So thank everyone for listening about my video about how to make a queue in Python. I hope you like it, and bye.